Hey guys, today I'm going to walk you through how to fix Honda Civic fuel pump problems. Whether your car won't start, sputters or stalls, a bad fuel pump could be the culprit. Whether your car won't start, sputters or stalls, a bad fuel pump could be the culprit. But don't worry, I'll show you how to tackle this step by step and boost your confidence along the way. First, make sure your Civic is parked safely and the battery is disconnected. Safety first. Next, try turning the key to the on position without starting the engine. Listen for a humming sound from the back seat area. No sound? That's a strong sign your fuel pump isn't working. Now check your fuses and relays. Open the fuse box under the hood, find the fuel pump fuse and see if it's blown, replace it if needed. Still not working? Time to get under the back seat. In most Honda Civics, the fuel pump is accessible from under the rear seat cushion. Pop off the cushion and you'll see a metal cover. Unscrew it to reveal the top of the fuel pump. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector and fuel lines. Watch out for any fuel spray. Remove the retaining ring holding the pump. Slowly pull the old pump out. Install your new fuel pump in the same spot, making sure everything lines up. Reattach the lines and connector, screw the cover back, and pop the seat cushion into place. Reconnect your battery, turn the key, and listen for that hum. If you hear it, try starting your Civic. If it starts right up, nice job. You just tackled a common problem yourself. Remember, take your time and don't rush the process. You've got this.